Hey, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Akansha. Hope you all are doing well and healthy as well. So today we are going to make a painting that is a flying mountain painting. So this will be a colorful painting as always. So let's start this painting with me, and please try this painting once. This is a very easy painting and very creative painting. So let's start with the colorful colors and do some creativity. And if you are new to my channel, please subscribe to my channel, and if you are already subscribed my channel, please watch this video till the end. And thanks for loving my videos and loving me also, and keep supporting me always. Thank you so much guys. And yes, if you are not getting that much of response from your subscriber, please don't be get disappointed or demotivated. Stay yourself motivated and do your work. One day you will get success soon. So do your work and believe only your hard work, so you will easily get the success. Please stay motivated, stay positive. Thank you.